Hello my dear students, I hope you are doing well and utilizing your holidays in a better way. Today we are going to do a very common phenomena of chemistry which you have observed in your daily life. Just look at this. Have you seen any water pipes around you or water tanks or car bodies with a brown layer over them? Yes? Okay, so you know what is this brown layer? This reddish brown layer is actually rust. What is rust? Rust is iron oxide. And how it is made? It is made by the reaction of iron with water and oxygen in the form of air. So iron oxide is formed. So you can see in this equation that iron is reacting with oxygen and water to form iron oxide. It means these three substances are reacting together to form a new substance. So it's a chemical change. It's an irreversible reaction. So once a metal is rusted, it cannot be returned into its original form. So what is rusting? Rusting is a chemical phenomena by which rust is formed in the presence of air and water. There are two essential conditions for rusting: presence of oxygen and presence of water. Rusting is very harmful for many useful things around us, and it destroys the parts of machinery, and the efficiency of machinery is also affected. Since rusting is harmful and it destroys the metal and reduces its strength, so we have to find out some methods by which we can prevent rusting. Rusting can be prevented by two methods. One is barrier protection and the second is galvanization. Barrier protection. Because of barrier protection, the metal can be prevented from rusting. What is barrier protection? It is the coating of the surface of metal with oil, paint or grease. As you know that oil, paint and grease, all of these three things are waterproof. So they don't react with water and the metal is prevented from rusting. Another way by which you can prevent metal from rusting is galvanization. Galvanization is depositing a layer of another metal which is less reactive on the surface of iron. So when iron is coated with another metal like chromium or zinc, it is prevented from rusting because these two metals are less reactive than iron. Preventing from rusting is very important because it increases the efficiency of our machinery and it also increases the life of metal. There are also some factors which increase the rate of rusting, like humid atmosphere, like saline water. So we have to take our metal away from moisture, or we can paint it, or we can have a layer of grease over it, or we can have another layer of metal on iron surface which is less reactive. So these are some of the ways by which rusting can be prevented. I hope you have understood what is rusting and how it is taken place in the environment. And now I am going to give you an assignment. You have to go around and observe your surrounding and give me 5 examples of rusting. Note them in your notebook and I will talk about it later in the next lecture. So this was all about rusting for today's lecture. See you again in another video with another topic. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.